digits on kicks and still holding.
Yes, your boy Crypto Blood. Welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is August 10th, 2020. Shout out to one of my YouTube members, premium members that is, my man Tim G, for this classic right here, Nas, featuring Lauryn Hill, If I Ruled the World. What would you do if you ruled the world? Shout out to everybody out there. What's going on? Today we are going to look at something. It shocked the hell out of me. I'm going to be honest with you. Can you believe that Chainlink has actually flipped Bitcoin in its trading volume on Coinbase? This is crazy. This just lets you know where we are with this DeFi movement. You know, it's going to get even hotter, I believe. I think this is the new wave. We had ICOs in 2017, and now we have DeFi projects in 2020. This go around, this scenario is much better than ICOs because ICOs are promising empty dreams. At least there's something tangible with these DeFis. Maybe they can't sustain a lot of this yield, but listen, at least it's something there, right? It's not just a white paper and a nice website. So we'll take a look at this. This really shocked me today, and I think this is a foreshadowing to what you're going to see and how you should really position your portfolio if you really want to see high returns on that portfolio. I'm going to tell you what you need to do in today's episode. And also, today, Tether continues to abandon Tron by converting $500 million of USDT back to Ethereum. So looks like they're having some trouble over at Tron, or at least Tether isn't liking what's going on the Tron blockchain. We'll take a look at maybe what is going on and why they continue to move away from Tron's blockchain back to Ethereum. I don't know if you guys know this, Tether is not only on Ethereum and Bitcoin, or Omni, the Omni layer on Bitcoin, it's also on EOS, Algorand, I think the Liquid Network, of course Tron. If I'm not mistaken, they may also be on Hedera. I'm not sure about that, but they're on at least 7 blockchains right now, expanding every month it seems like. So for them to start moving away from Tron, what does that tell you about that blockchain and that project? I don't know. We'll take a look at the article though and see what we can grab from that. Lastly, yes, the supply gate controversy, Ethereum. Do you know what Ethereum's coin supply really is? I thought I knew, but evidently there are many ways to try to derive that answer. And according to this article out of crypto.bi, none of them are really right. We don't really know. That's the crazy thing. I gotta give a shout out to my man Sultan for this one. I published an interview with him, I think last week. He's running for state senate for Harlem, but he put this out on Twitter and added me on it. And it was a very, very interesting read. So I'm definitely going to go through that one with you guys today. All 3 articles coming up on today's episode of My Two Satoshis. Let's get it. But before we start, if you guys find these types of videos informative, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell to receive more videos like this. Let's take a quick look at the heat map today. We got Bitcoin up 1.5% to 11,869 bucks. Ethereum's up 1%, trading at 396 bucks. EOS is up big today, 6%, actually 6.7%, trading at $3.21. Lind is doing well today. We've got MakerDAO up big today. Tezos is up today, 13%. But overall, very strong day for a lot of the alts. Not so much for the major man, Bitcoin, but we've seen a lot of alts do pretty well today. Link is down 5.8%. That should be, hey, go ahead and buy. This is a signal for you to start looking to potentially buy. You don't buy on green days, you buy on red days. That's the philosophy. You got to stick to it. So Link at $13 could be a potentially good move for you guys out there. As far as Bitcoin goes on the technicals, 1 hour chart here. I've drawn a channel for you guys to see, and essentially we're trying hard to make that move up. I can also draw a horizontal line across and remove this top trend line so you guys can see we've got another pennant forming here, right? This is another pennant that we've got going on right here. All right, so what's going to happen? Who knows? I'm thinking we're going higher though. So really you want to watch this trend line. Set an alarm on this trend line on TradingView, and if it crosses below it, then you need to get out of this position if you're an active trader. That's how I would play it. So to safely say, if we trade below 11,650, you may want to get out the way. We may head a little lower before trying again. We did run out of steam. I thought we would make a move over the night. When I woke up, I thought I would see above this last high here, but that's not the case. We'll have to see what happens, but altcoins doing well. Let's take a look at this first article, though, regarding Tether abandoning Tron as they converted another $500 million worth of USDT tokens to Ethereum. So it says the Tron blockchain loses another $500 million after a chain swap with Ethereum. As usual, the total circulating supply of USDT will remain unchanged, since 500 million tokens will simply be transferred from one blockchain to another. In a few hours, they said Tether will coordinate with a third party to perform 2 chain swaps, conversion from Tron to ERC20. Tether did announce its support for the Tron blockchain, its TRC20 technical standard, back in May. The new version quickly gained traction, securing 12% of Tether's total circulating supply in 5 months. Tron's CEO Justin Sun predicted that the Tron-based USDT would end up becoming the dominant fiat-paid cryptocurrency. And in May, Tron became the second largest stablecoin, and the TRC20 token minted by Tether became the second largest stablecoin, surpassing the original USDT issued on the Bitcoin Omni layer. The CEO of Tether did not specify a precise reason behind the swap, but it seems apparent that Tether is gradually bailing on Tron. Could be possibly because Justin Sun is looking to start his own stablecoin. He conducted an IEO for his dollar-backed Just Stay. Oh my God, this is just the epitome of narcissism right here. I'm telling you, wow. Given that another 300 million of Tron-based USDT migrated to Ethereum last month, the most recent swap is not trivial. So what do you guys think? Is this a sign of Tron losing steam, losing popularity? I know I have some Tron fans in the comments, so let me know what your thoughts are about this. I just think Tron won't ever be able to get to that point of legitimacy until that CEO gets out the way. If he can just stop all the shenanigans and marketing schemes and stuff that he does, they won't ever get to that point where they want to be or think they should be, that community. Not talking technically speaking. You know, at this point, there are a bunch of blockchains technically that are more superior than Ethereum. But there are other components that you have to keep in mind. And if you're going to have a CEO continually doing these crazy, bizarre marketing ploys, I don't know. You guys let me know. But yeah, another 500 million has moved away from Tether. Secondly, let's take a look at what's going on with this SupplyGate controversy. Just hashtag SupplyGate and see on Twitter what you find and can dig up. But essentially, a few people on Twitter asked a trivial question: what's Ethereum's total monetary supply? And so that's when Twitter went hot. Okay, what they found next was both surprising and absolutely intriguing. It turns out there isn't a single official number for the current available supply of Ethereum. Worse yet, there is no official tool we can use to verify monetary ETH supply. Everyone is essentially just blindly relying on Etherscan ever since the Ethereum ICO came about 6 years ago. And that's what I did. I just looked at the Ethereum or Etherscan to see what the supply is. So Ethereum devs and users then scrambled to come up with an official number, but they all seem to come up with different results. And one user said, check Etherscan. This reply set off a whole wave of memes and generalized Ethereum bashing, but it's no laughing matter because there is really no way to verify Ethereum's monetary supply. How do you guys feel about that? The reference Ethereum full node implementation GIF does not provide an API endpoint to query how much ETH there is in circulation. Worse yet, listen to this. There isn't a single number available. Every service seems to respond with a different value. Querying 7 different sources yielded 7 different numbers. So here's a list of the 7. They range from 112 million down to 109 million. Another guy then challenged the Ethereum community to provide a single number for the Ethereum circulating supply. He put a $1 million Satoshi bounty up for anyone who provided an open source script that could actually correctly add up Ethereum supply. So this whole thread was hilarious. The fact is that there isn't a simple way or independent way, open source way to verify Ethereum's total supply, guys, up until now. So now we do have that. Everyone relied on Etherscan all this time. And so this is great. This is a great thing about blockchain. You don't trust, you verify. And so that's what happened here. And I'm glad to see someone come up with a script to do that. And lastly, DeFi. Yes, it's the hot topic. You should have some portion. I can't tell you how much. You should definitely have a decent portion of your portfolio in different DeFi projects. Spread them around because we don't know which one is really going to blow when this mania, when this next bull run really kicks off. It's not going to be an ICO. It's not going to be a privacy coin. It's going to be a slew of DeFi tokens that you're going to need to take advantage of. So Chainlink has been caught in the throes of an intense bull run throughout the past few weeks. The cryptocurrency has been significantly outperforming the aggregate market and has now secured its spot as the 6th largest digital asset by market capitalization. Insane. Analysts are now observing that Link trading volume on Coinbase is far outpacing that of Bitcoin. This points to growing interest from traders to gain exposure to the token. So me personally, yes, Chainlink is going to continue to go up. They have some strong fundamentals under this token. And I should make this clarification because what's happening in Chainlink is kind of a derivative off of the play of DeFi. Okay, Chainlink is more of an Oracle protocol. And so a lot of these DeFis are using Chainlink to facilitate a lot of transactions within that ecosystem. So you're going to continue to see a lot of buying pressure with that. Another one to look out for, may have missed the boat. I know I missed the boat on it, but Band. A lot of people are now on this wave and it's outperforming even Chainlink. Maybe I'll do a video on that tomorrow or something. But yeah, this Chainlink is going crazy. They now have a new target for $20. It's down today. Look at where it's at, $13, down 7% today. These are the types of days you should be buying if you're interested in Chainlink. Again, the philosophy is don't buy on the green day, on the super green day. No, buy on a red day. If the fundamentals are there, you're getting it at a slight discount. Maybe not bottom, but we can't time the bottom. Okay, those who time the bottom are just, for the most part, lucky, unless they're using some technical analysis to possibly assist in that. But someone's got to be buying while the bottom is in formation. So Chainlink down 7% today. Probably a good time to get in where you fit in. But again, it's insane that we have Link flipping Bitcoin in trading volume on Coinbase. Just to let you know the signs of the time as far as what people are interested in. And you better believe when the next bull run really gets going, I'm talking about Bitcoin at 15,000, 18,000 all-time highs, your DeFi tokens or DeFi related tokens are going to do better than all the other altcoins. Mark my word. Let me know your thoughts on all 3 articles today. Shout out to my man Tim G for that song request again. Nas, if I ruled the world, you will be ruling the world if you buy some DeFi tokens today. That's for sure. Let me know if you guys found this video informative. Leave me a like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and check in for the next crypto market analysis video. I'm out of here, people. Pow!
Imagine that.